Today I teach you column alias. This alias is generally used for change the column heading at display time. For example, in Scott schema, EMP is one of the table and EMP cell is one of the column. You can see that select star from EMP. Here cell is the one of the column of EMP table. Fine. Now I want to display this cell column with salary heading. Now I just use column alias. For example, select EMPNO, ename, cell as salary from EMP. This column alias is used to change the column heading temporary or display time. This salary, you can see that instead of cell, the heading said salary. This column alias generally used for arithmetic operation performing in query. At that time we have to provide the heading of arithmetic column. For example, select EMPNO, ename, cell into 12. Here I calculate annual salary of employee. So when I use this calculation or arithmetic operation in my query, what is the heading of this column? Just look at here, EMP. The actual expression of query or arithmetic operation, it shows in column heading. So this is not a actual representation of your output, but you can set a column heading instead of this arithmetic perform expression. Just you can change the column heading annual salary or new salary, like that. So we have to use alias select EMPNO, ename, cell into 12 as annual cell from EMP. Look at here, instead of expression of column, it said annual salary at a column heading. Because of this, user can understand which type of value is available in column. If you want to set any heading which is with a space in between a title, you just use double quote with the column alias. For example, select EMPNO, ename, cell into 12 as I want to set annual cell with one space. Annual cell. Look at here. Suppose I want to display annual cell with space, I have to use double quote of heading. With double quote means yes, annual cell. Annual cell from EMP. Now look at here, annual cell with space you can put here with double quote. If you want to set any heading with space, you just have to double quote both the side of that heading. If it is no space between your name of heading of column, you can use directly without double quote. This is the whole concept of column alias. You can use column alias for displaying different heading at a runtime. Hope you all are understand column alias with this tutorial. If it is more helpful to you to clear about the concept of an column alias, Just like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much friends.